coming off? Have you got a shoe?
Bye-bye, baby.
Where you going, Em? Oh, she's going. She got her shopping cart. She's going to shop.
That's the way you do it right there. We're gonna take you to Harris Teeter.
For a pocketbook. That is the cutest thing I've ever seen.
Yeah, be careful. Your shoe's about to fall off. Ooh, it fell off. Can you put it back on? Do you have a run in your pantyhose?
Well, now.
You would just wear it with no pantyhose? Hey, pretty girl. Bye-bye.